How to check direct messages on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can check direct messages on Instagram. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So to check your direct messages on Instagram, this is really simple and this video is for beginners. So just watch till the end, locate your Instagram app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. So if you're on the wrong account, you can simply change it. And after you're logged in into your account, what you can do is you can simply open up the app and then tap on your message icon on the top right. You will see the message icon, tap on it, and there we go. This is your message icon. And what you can do right here is you can see all the messages that you have received. The one that you have not yet read will be shown in the bold text with a blue dot right besides the camera option. And yeah, you can open those messages up from here. And this is basically how you do it. You can also swipe right instead of tapping on the message icon on the top right. Simply swipe right, swipe left. And after you swipe left, you can see all of your messages. Other than that, you'll also find the request option right besides the messages. Tap on request and you'll find all of the requests that you have received in your account. So you can read those messages from here as well. And yeah, that's how you check direct messages on Instagram. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye-bye. Take care.